If you're tired of packing the same lunch every day, the OmieBox might completely change what you pack for school. By the way, this video is not sponsored. A lot of my viewers have asked me about it over the years because it's one of the more expensive lunch boxes out there. I've packed thousands of school lunches over the last 15 years and filmed hundreds of videos for you. So before you spend the money, here is who I think is actually worth buying it for and who should skip it. The biggest thing that makes the OmieBox different is the built-in insulated thermos. It lets you pack hot and cold foods together in the same lunchbox, which opens up so many more lunch possibilities than a traditional lunchbox. Instead of feeling like you have to pack another sandwich, you can send your child's favorite hot foods like mac and cheese, soup, chicken nuggets. Basically, you can take last night's leftovers, warm them up, and add them to the thermos while still packing fruit, veggies, cheese, crackers, and any other sides. Now, one accessory that's worth mentioning is the OmieChill. If you're packing a hot lunch in the thermos but still want to send a yogurt pouch or smoothie or applesauce that needs to stay cold, this solves that problem. Just freeze it overnight, slide the pouch inside, and it'll help keep it cold until lunchtime. It's not something that everyone needs, but if you've wondered how to keep those cool, now you know. Oh, and I'll link it below the video too for you. And here's one feature that I don't think gets enough attention. The thermos is completely removable. So the days that you're packing a cold lunch item, you'll take the thermos out and use that extra space for a sandwich or a wrap, for example. It's almost like getting two lunchboxes in one. I also like that it's designed with younger kids in mind. The latch is easy for little hands to open and close, and the compartments keep foods separated. The rubber gasket keeps thicker foods like yogurt or hummus in place, making it leak resistant. Although I'd still store thinner liquids inside the thermos. It also fits in easy to find lunch bags. It can be carried by the handle, which kids love, and the biggest drawback is that it's hand wash only, which might not be a big deal to you, but for some of us with larger families, it's one more thing. So who do I think that should buy the OmieBox? Now, I'd recommend it if your child likes having a variety of lunch, or if you've ever wished that you could pack more than just sandwiches all in one place. It's a great choice for kids who enjoy leftovers and hot lunches, or simply eat better when they have foods that they're familiar with and they're excited about. It's also a smart investment if you're looking for one lunchbox that can last for years. Like think pre-K through 3rd grade. It's durable and can grow with your child, and you can pack many different types of meals. And here is who should skip it. If you're on a tight budget, there are less expensive lunchboxes that do a great job for cold lunches, and you can buy a separate thermos container for hot lunch days. I have another video showing you my favorite ones, which I'll link below. If your child just wants a simple sandwich every day, which is totally fine, or if they're a snacker and you'll never use a thermos, you're paying for a feature you probably won't need, or could buy a different lunchbox completely. And if you're buying lunchboxes for several kids, the cost can add up quickly, especially if you like having an extra clean lunchbox ready to go. And again, if you're the throw everything in the dishwasher and at the end of the day kind of person, this one should totally get a pass. So is the OmieBox worth it? I think it is if it helps you pack the foods that your child will actually want to eat. Whether that's hot pasta one day, leftovers the next, or a sandwich with the thermos removed, it gives you a lot more flexibility than a traditional lunchbox as a all-in-one solution. Now, at the end of the day, the best lunchbox is the one that helps your child come home with an empty lunchbox because they ate the food that you packed. By the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and if making mealtimes easier for your family sounds good to you, you're in the right place. Here I share practical kitchen tips, family favorite recipes, tons of school lunch ideas, and yes, the very best pancakes. All in quick videos that get right to the point, and I'd love to have you subscribe.